Hello, welcome to 641 Exeter Street, located in Pickerington's Preston Trails community. Enjoy all the features of a new construction home without the wait. This home was just built in 2017. The spacious living room is perfect for relaxing with friends and family. You're going to absolutely enjoy cooking in this kitchen with upgraded LG appliances and upgraded 42-inch cabinets. This owner's suite is enormous and it features its own ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub and a separate shower. One of the best things about this home is it features 5 spacious bedrooms, which allows flexibility for any of your needs. What a bonus! This home features a finished basement with a full bathroom and plenty of unfinished storage. This home's going to sell quickly, so schedule your showing today.